Have you ever wondered how a search engine decides which results go at the top of a page and which go at the bottom? What about the results that end up on page 2, 20, or 200? Search engines work by exploring and indexing the content of billions of web pages across the internet. When you search for a term, the search engine uses an algorithm to rank the results by relevance and quality. Those rankings matter because search engines are the most common method people use to find products and services online, and the internet is a crowded place. Let's try an experiment. Say that I want to buy a plant for my home office, maybe a small cactus. If I search the web for the phrase potted cactus for sale, I get over 26 million results. That's more than 2 million pages of links. And just how many of those results do you think I'm going to click on before I find the cactus I want? It's a lot less than 26 million. So ranking in search results is essential for reaching customers. But how do you make sure you're producing content that a search engine recognizes as relevant and high quality? The answer is a process called search engine optimization, or SEO for short. SEO is a set of practices designed to increase the quantity and quality of traffic to a website. At the most basic level, it involves optimizing content around commonly used search terms, also called keywords, to improve a website's position in search engine results pages. Search engine results pages, or SERPs, are the pages of results produced when someone performs a search. Typically, the higher a site ranks in these search listings, the more likely customers are to click on it. And the more visitors you have, the more chances you have to drive sales, establish authority, and build your brand. SEO and paid ads each have advantages and disadvantages. You've already learned that ads produce results quick, but those results disappear when you stop paying for them. With SEO, it's the reverse. The exposure you get from good SEO can last much longer than paid ads. But rising in the SERP rankings can take time and efforts, which is why SEO and paid ads are often used together. SEO has been around since the early days of the internet, and it's evolved a lot in that time. These days, it involves a lot of different activities. Let's go over a few SEO basics now: keyword research, quality content, and website structure. First, keyword research is the process of identifying common search terms and phrases consumers use to find products or services online. For example, some common keywords for a company that sells musical instruments might include guitar, drum set, or grand piano for sale. Part of SEO is finding the keywords that are most relevant for your audience and products and making sure they're part of your content. But you can't just pack your website full of keywords and expect good results. You also need quality content that's useful and usable for your customers. That means not only writing great content, but keeping it up to date. You want website content to match a business's current offerings and reflect keyword trends. Quality content is a win-win because it's helpful for customers and tends to rank better in SERPs. Your content should also be easy to find, so organizing the site in a user-friendly way is important too. A well-structured website makes it easier for both search engines and customers to navigate your content. Time to recap. SEO is the process of increasing the quality and quantity of traffic to a website from search engines. Businesses can improve their search engine results page rankings, or SERPs, in a few different ways, including keyword research, creating useful, usable content, and a clear website structure. Of course, there's a lot more to good SEO than we've covered here. In the next part of the course, you'll find out more about SEO as well as some paid advertising strategies.